Welcome, dear friends, to my channel. This is the season to be jolly, and what better way than to craft a luscious Christmas cookie wreath that not only tantalizes the taste buds but also warms the heart. This is the perfect opportunity to share in the joy of the season and create lasting memories together. We'll turn our virtual gathering into a winter wonderland of sweetness. May this Christmas season bring you joy, laughter, and the sweetest moments shared with friends old and new. So, grab your favorite cookie cutters and let the merriment begin. Take 100 grams of butter in a bowl and use a whisk to beat it until it achieves a soft consistency. Include 100 grams of powdered sugar, then whisk the mixture until it combines to create a soft, smooth dough. In a separate bowl, take 1 egg, beat it, and mix it into the butter mixture. Whisk thoroughly to ensure a well-combined creamy mixture. Add in 20 to 25 milliliters of honey and blend thoroughly. In a separate bowl, take 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 grams of baking soda, 5 grams of cinnamon powder, 3 grams of nutmeg powder, and 2 grams of clove powder. Mix it well together. Add in the butter mixture and mix thoroughly to blend and form a smooth dough. Place the dough onto a clean flat surface. Cover it with cling film and roll it out to a thickness of approximately 5 millimeters. Using the cookie cutters, create shapes and position them on the baking trays. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until lightly golden brown. To prepare the wreath, follow the same cookie baking method. Once the cookies are out of the oven, leave on the tray for 10 minutes and then move to a wire rack for cooling. For the royal icing decorations, whip 2 egg whites until fluffy. Gradually incorporate 3 tablespoons of icing sugar in small portions. Put 5 milliliters of lemon juice to achieve a white color in the icing. Pour the icing into separate small bowls and mix color according to your preferences. Roll out your desired color of icing, approximately 2 millimeters thick, and paint the biscuits and wreath. Add edible glitters while the icing is still wet. Once the coloring is done, leave the cookies on the tray for 10 minutes to dry and then decorate according to your preferences. Once all the cookies are decorated, attach with icing and position them on the wreath formation on a flat serving board or plate. Thank you friends for joining our festive fun. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being part of this joyous episode. I'll be back shortly with another scrumptious Christmas plum cake recipe that will surely add more sweetness to your holiday season. Before you go, don't forget to spread the love by hitting that like button, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to my channel. Your support is the best Christmas gift you could give. Wishing you all the blessings of the season. Stay blessed, stay joyful, and have a Merry Christmas. Until we meet again for more delicious adventures.